This is Fred Barstein with 401k TV, where we just completed a TPSU program at San Jose State University. I'm here with our esteemed adjunct lecturer, Mark Lawton. And Mark is with Quintus, which is a TPA and advisory group in the Salinas area, very close to here. So today we wanted to ask Mark a few questions about committee structure, retirement committee structure, and it came up a little bit in the program about having the CEO, whether the CEO, it's a good practice to have the CEO on the committee or to have it separate, and any major decisions, obviously the CEO will be weighing in. So what do you see, and what are some of the best practices you're seeing?
So I think it just really depends on the size of the employer. So in a smaller company setting, I don't know that you can avoid not having the CEO as part of the committee. And of course, they're very involved in the day-to-day operations of the business. When you get into the medium and larger size companies, having them involved, it might be hard, one, to get their attention, and most decisions might not really make it up to their level. So I'm not really sure that it makes a lot of sense in those cases. But I think it really just depends on the individual employer. On the smaller level, it's usually in every case. On the medium to larger employers, usually they're not on the committees, but as you said, they're going to be involved in those larger decisions.
And also the personality of the CEO, if they dominate or allow other people to engage, right?
Right, and I think sometimes too for committee members, they want to feel like they can speak their mind and give their input. And sometimes if you have the CEO in all those meetings and they're very dominant, to your point, they're maybe going to shy away from giving their full input or what they think, maybe in fear that the CEO might view them differently or that it might have an impact on their job.
So I'm going to ask you about participants, but I'm going to do that in our second video so we can keep this one short. So stay tuned for part 2 of our videos on whether participants should actually be in the on the retirement committee. So thanks for your time today, Mark.
Thanks, Fred.
See you soon.
Yes.